This is John Derrick with Apollo Sprayers, and we're here today in the Fixed Auto in Murrieta. And I'm here with Greg Folden, who's the owner and general manager of the facility here. And Greg's had one of our systems installed now for what, about 5-6 months, something like that, Greg?
Yep, since November.
How's things been going?
Things have been going really well. So, painters enjoying the system. Quality's been good. Yeah, we've been enjoying it.
And you guys have been telling me that you've been seeing some really nice savings in your liquid costs. Would you care to share some of that with us?
Definitely, yeah, we have. So actually, solid 30% savings in liquid along toners and clears. So.
Wow, that's quite a bit, especially for a high volume shop like you guys have here.
Yes.
And how's the painter received the system? Does he like using it?
He does like using it. Of course, he learned it, and then once he did, it's been going really good. He enjoys using it. The quality is good. Mm-hmm. So yeah, he really likes it.
So you guys have 2 booths here at this store. Roughly on average, how many cars a month are you guys putting through the booths?
Well, we're painting about 7 a day.
Okay.
So yeah, we have the system on both booths. So right. He's liking that. Yeah,
so you're able to do a fairly high volume of work and using this system, and at the same, so the quality of work hasn't changed. You're getting the same quality of work that you were prior to that with your other guns?
Definitely, yeah, the quality hasn't been compromised at all. It's been going really well.
Very good. Thanks very much for your time today, Greg. Appreciate it.
Thank you guys.